Black tea has been found to have potential benefits for reducing muscle soreness after intense physical training, according to a study conducted by sports scientists at Rutgers University. The research focused on theaflavins, which are compounds found in black tea but not in green tea. These substances have shown anti-inflammatory properties in laboratory and animal studies. The experiment involved 18 male college students who took a daily dose of black tea extract containing theaflavins for 9 days. After a week of supplementation, the participants underwent a strenuous cycling test consisting of 10 30-second all-out efforts with short rest periods. The same protocol was repeated after a week of taking placebo pills for comparison. While the supplement did not significantly impact performance during the test, it did appear to help restore the balance of reduced and oxidized glutathione in muscle cells more quickly after exercise. Glutathione plays a role in neutralizing free radicals, and the faster restoration suggests improved recovery. Additionally, the supplement seemed to reduce muscle soreness in the days following the intense workout. The researchers propose that this could potentially allow for more frequent or intense training sessions, though this was not directly tested in the study. It's worth noting that while the supplement contained a concentrated dose of theaflavins, regular black tea consumption may also offer benefits. A cup of black tea contains phenols, including a small amount of theaflavins. Some studies have even found positive effects from drinking green tea regularly, suggesting that tea in its natural form may provide advantages for athletes and exercisers looking to enhance recovery and reduce muscle soreness.